All right, guys, so we got a Tesla Model Y here. We are in Carlsbad, California. This is a white Tesla Model Y that came from almost pretty much immediately over from the Carlsbad delivery center. And this car is in for paint protection film. We are applying Ceramic Pro KAVACA, which is Ceramic Pro's newest product, and it is a clear bra. So just showing an example of what we do to make sure you get the best results possible on your white Tesla Model Y, or any Tesla for that matter. We remove side markers to make sure that when we install the film, it looks totally seamless. You will not be able to see the product. And if you look over here, you can see that we're right in the process of installing it to where it actually hangs over the edge. And that's the film there still along the edge. We're gonna wrap that edge just like we did here. So this hood is actually done. The film's actually installed. It's already wrapped all the way around the edge, and you literally cannot see the product at all. Another thing with the Tesla Model Ys that's so important is to make sure that you do your splash guards. And what I mean by that is you have this big kind of bump out here that makes the Tesla Model Ys look extremely aggressive, but that aggressive stance causes rocks and debris to hit right there. So we will install paint protection film to that area as well. We'll be installing KAVACA Clear Bra to make sure that you get the best protection possible, not only on the full front of the vehicle, which is most common, but also on that rear bump out. And that's all being done here at Ceramic Pro Carlsbad, also known as 5 Point Carlsbad, right by the Tesla delivery center in Carlsbad, California. Thanks for watching. If you need your white Tesla Model Y, or any Tesla for that matter, coated, protected, window tinted, come check us out at ceramicprosd.com or 5pointautospot.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.